Okay, students, for this part of the video, we're actually going to talk about loop recording, both MIDI data and also loop recording audio. So I'm going to go into the drum room right over here and play the kit and do a little bit of loop recording to show you how that actually works. And then after that, we'll come back in and we'll do a little MIDI loop recording as well. Okay, students, I'm actually in the drum room now at my studio, and I'm going to do a little bit of loop recording to show you how this process works. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put down a kick and snare kind of part. And so I'm going to pick like a 4-bar segment here, and I'm going to be on normal record. I'm just going to record those 4 bars, and I've got my pre-roll set for 1 bar. Okay, now I can go ahead and loop that. Okay, so now I've got a 4-bar drum loop that I've just created. Now what I want to do is I want to add an additional hi-hat track. And this track, what I'd like to do is I would like to loop record. So I can right-click on the record button and hit loop. I can also select loop record from the options menu. There it is, loop record. I could also use a shortcut, which is option L to loop record. Okay, I'm going to give myself 2 bars this time of pre-roll, and I'm going to loop record like 4 different hi-hat parts. Here we go. Okay, so that gave me a few parts to play with. Now, what I need to do here is select some search criteria for me to choose from so I can view the various options that I have. So I can go to right-click here, right-click, and matching alternates to match criteria. A variety of options here. Based on what I select Pro Tools will select which particular clips are available as options for me to view. Okay, so I want to make sure in this case that I have the track ID. Also, I want the track name included in the search criteria as it looks for its alternates. Clip rating, I haven't rated any of the clips, so I'm not going to worry about that. Clip start and clip end, start and end, are all options that we could use. You can see these are all just click on or off buttons. I'm going to say clip start. And you can see it now, it gives me a variety of options that are available. So now I can listen to each of these individual, or audition each of these individual loops that I played. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. Third one. Fourth one. And the last one. Now, another option that you may choose, and this is kind of the way that I prefer to work when I'm doing this type of loop recording, is to have these individual loops go to individual playlists. And now a playlist is actually kind of a separate take on the same track. And you have to enable that in your preferences. Go under Preferences, to Operation, and Record. Automatically create new playlists when loop recording. That's what I want. I'm going to turn that on. Now we can do the exact same thing. Select my 4-bar region, and I'm going to enable my pre-roll. So I'm going to do my little shortcut, Option, and click where I want it to be enabled. Now it's on, 1 bar, record enable that track. Pro Tools should record multiple playlists. So here we go. Okay, now we should be able to actually look at these individual parts on individual playlists. The first one I played, second one, third one, fourth one. So that's a great way, I think, to use loop record. All right, so that is basic loop recording with audio.